Previously, we created this robotic arm, but today we're gonna do the impossible. Using only your iPad, we gotta rig it and animate it. Remember how did we parent each object as per the parts order? And also we manually adjust the pivot point of each of them. Now make sure to pick each object position and add a group object to each of them as well. These group objects will act as pawn controllers after we export the robotic arm to Naomi app. Yes, it is as simple as this. For the second part of the tutorial, we are using Naomi animation app. Start a new project. Delete the default light. Add a new asset, then import your file. Add the object to the scene. Open the hierarchy, extend the full rig, and here you will find all the controllers assigned to the parts and the groups of your object, which means we have double the amounts of controllers. Keep the groups and disable everything else. Now all what's remained is the animation. To create simple animation, pause your model, select the controller you want to animate, add the keyframe in the first and the last frames of the timeline. Then go to the middle frame, move the controller, then add a new keyframe. Do the same for each controller you want to animate. Now hold the magic button and drag your pencil on empty space. Select hide the grid, do it again and select hide effectors. Now press play and there you have it. The robotic arm rigged and animated on your iPad.